Okay, in case you have thought that we have exhausted the complexities of K-map, what we are going to do in this video is look at a four input K-map. Okay, and the truth, I have put the truth table on the on the video, and because you have four inputs, you have 16 possible combinations of the inputs, right? And you want to put all these 16 combinations on a K map. So what you want to do then is draw a square which we will divide into four parts, both on the horizontal and the vertical sides. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we divide this 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And what we'll do is we'll put two of the inputs on the vertical axis and two of the inputs on the horizontal axis, and then we write the values. It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, and remember you have 1 1 first and then 1 0. And similarly here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 1, and 1 0. Okay, once you make the K map, what we can do is we can just fill up the K map with the values of the outputs. So you will have 0 0 0 0, and then you have 0 1 0 1, and then you have, let's see, 1 0 1 0, and lastly you have 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here, so let me just go back. So when you're filling up the truth table, what you can see is that for A and B 0 0, which is this row, I could just write the value 0 0 0 0, right? But the only thing is you have to write 0 0, so 0 0, and then this 0 is this one, and this 0 is here. Similarly, for the values of A and B 0 1 0 1, you write this 0, then 1 goes here, then this 0 goes here, and this 1 goes here because that's 1 1. Okay, now this is 1 0, and 1 0 is written on this row and not on this row. So I need to write it here, and yeah, I write 1 0 1 0, and then 1 1 is all our ones. Okay, so that's my K map. And again, what I want to do is I want to make as big groups of these ones as I can. Okay, so I'm going to put these ones in one group. I'm going to put all these ones in one group. There are four of them, right? And now I want to cover this one and this one, or this these two ones as well. And I can't make a bigger group than two, so I'm going to combine it with these ones. Okay, so let's combine it this way, this and this. So you have four kind of portions, and each of those four will be represented by one min term, and therefore you will have a four term Boolean expression. So let's start by writing the Boolean expression for this group of ones. So if you look at this, C is changing from 0 to 1, so that goes out of the equation. And similarly, if you look at this side, A is also changing from 0 to 1. So you only have D and B in the equation, and D is taking a value of 1 and B is taking a value of 1. So my min term is going to be B, D. Okay, and then you have an OR, and then you write the min term for, let's say, this group of four ones. So in this case, C and D are taking all, you're taking all the possible combinations of C and D, so they don't come into the equation at all. You only have A and B coming in, right? So you have A, B, okay, so that's the minterm corresponding to that. And now we will write a minterm corresponding to, let's say, this one. So here CD is taking the value 0 0, and B is changing, so it's A and C and D that will come in the minterm. So A is taking a value of 1, so you write 1 A, and C and D are taking the values 0 and 0. So we write C bar, D bar. So C bar, D bar. And then you write plus. We want to write the term for this. Again, B is going to disappear from this term because B is taking both 1 and 0. So you have A and C D bar. So you have A, C, D bar. And that gives us the Boolean expression for the truth table that's there on the screen. Hopefully this makes sense. In the next video, we are going to look at another example, and then I have a few exercises for you to do.